A kí ẹnì kankan wa pé a tún káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì yìí láti máa gbọ́ àwáyé lórí ìṣirò àti èdè físíìsì níbi tí a tún máa pín pẹ̀lú àwọn question kọ̀ọ̀kan tí wọ́n bá fún wa. I'm saying good morning and say good day to you wherever you are listening to me. This is physics question that you want to dismantle it and massacre it now. And this is equilibrium of force. What do we call equilibrium of force? That will be the subject of another time for the definition. But in a simple sense is that what the act of balancing of two bodies is what they call equilibrium point. Where the two bodies that has with balance is what they call equilibrium. And then whenever the two bodies suspend, either through by ruler or through by anything, when they maintain their balancing, is what they call equilibrium, which is quite different to the substance of a force in our previous video. If you are given something like this, I don't want the video to be too long. Then what do you need for this? Wọ́n ní tá à ń pè ní equilibrium ni pé níbi tí a bá ti gbé bọ́dì méjì tí wọ́n jókòó létí àga tá a fi rúlà gbé wọn dúró tàbí tá a máa ń tòkì ẹ̀yìn tẹ́ máa ń tòkì tá a máa ń tòkì láyé ìgbà kan á wà gbé lórí bench táwa tí wá tòkì yẹn tá a gbé lórí bench ní títí ẹ̀ á gbé yẹn síwájú á gbé lẹ́yìn náà sẹ́yìn ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan wà jókòó lórí ẹ̀ á wọ́n ti jàǹgì ọ̀fà ìpò mọ́tò tẹ̀gbọ́n tẹ́nì kankan bá ti ṣubú ńbẹ̀ á wí wípé bẹ́ẹ̀ la pè ní equilibrium. Báwo la ti sọ̀fẹ̀ tó máa fún problem báyìí? Ẹgbẹ́ nǹkan méjì ni ìkan lórí kodò ìkan kọjú òkè. Now let's go. How are we going to solve this problem? Whenever you are given this, the way we are going to solve this problem is that you take a moment. Then what do we call a moment? Lónìí gbogbo ní ti mo wá ní tí wọ́n ń pè. Now mo fẹ́ take a moment. Ṣé láti pè ní moment? Mo fẹ́ calculate. Mo fẹ́ tó àwọn méjèèjì mo fẹ́ dorí wọn kóra wọn. Tí kan wà báyìí tí kan padà lọ báyìí mọ́ àwọn gbọ́dọ̀ jọ wá ní ojú kan náà ṣe kánú jọ wá lójú kan náà wọ́n jọ yí báyìí ni wọ́n fọ́ọ̀mù sákù nù ìfẹ́ wọ́n fọ́ọ̀mù sákù wọ́n fẹ́ kí kan lọ báyìí wọ́n fẹ́ kí kan lọ báyìí gbogbo lẹ́yìn tó bá ti ń lọ lọ́nà tí tọ́wọ́ mi lọ wọn là ń pè ní clockwise èyí tó bá ti wá ń yí padà èmi tẹ́ pé ẹgbọ́wọ́ mi tó padà yí padà ojú ẹ̀ ní ìlà pè ní anti clockwise tí wọ́n náà bá lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ a jẹ́ pé báyìí clockwise báyìí ìlà anti clockwise. Now let's go there. Now bàtà débẹ̀ wọ́n á fún ọ a jẹ́ pé tí n bá fẹ́ kí kíní yìí ò dúró dáadáa tí n bá fẹ́ kọ́ mọ́ ṣubú tí n fẹ́ kó ṣubú mo gbọ́dọ̀ mú ilé ìkó wá báyìí fún wọn fa ilé náà lọ báyìí mo sì yẹ kó jẹ́ nìyẹn tẹ́lẹ̀ ìbá lọ báyìí tẹ́lẹ̀ náà bá fi wá báyìí wọ́n ṣubú wọ́n ṣe yakata wọ́n gbàgbé pé center of gravity rèé o. Now the best thing that you need to do is to what? Take a moment. How will you take a moment? Look at it. Then you take a moment this way. This is what they call what? A clockwise moment. But what you have to clockwise moment, then you call it what? Clockwise moment. That is clockwise direction. In the right. Clockwise direction. Kill a number W multiplied by moment. The formula is force times perpendicular distance. Simply means that if I have this W to represent my force, because it's also in Newton, then how many distance does it have? Right from this place to this place, what did I have? I have 2 and I have 2. This is the owner of all this length. That is 2 plus 2 is what? 4. The answer is 4 W Newton. That's number 1. I still need anti-clockwise. Then what is anti-clockwise moment is talking about? Anti-clockwise moment, once this one comes here, this will go this side. And don't forget that this is center of gravity. The center of gravity simply means that where the body acts, the body of an object acts, simply means that this will go this way as a moment. It only go this way now. Then when we go this way, what is the distance in between it before the center of gravity is nothing but 2t multiplied by 2 to give us what? 2t. And don't forget the law that says that what for you to get this equilibrium, summation anti-clockwise movement must equal to summation clockwise moment. What is an anti-clockwise? That is 2t is equal to 4oo. Then 2 into what is our t given to us here? That is 4t, which is going to be 4oo. Therefore, we divide both sides by 4. This comes with this. Oo is going to give us as 4 here 1, 4 here 10. Then we have 20 Newton. Simply means that the weight is going to be 20 Newton. If I want this and this to be balanced, if I don't want this one to go down here, if I don't want it to go down here, simply means that this one is going to give us what? The 20 Newton. And take this law down. The higher the force, the smaller the distance. The higher the distance, the smaller the force. Look at this now. We have the higher force. What is the distance of it? 2 meters. Look at this one now. We have less force. Yes. You can see this one now as a weight. Then what do you see there? Okay, I tell you, you can see our weight is what? Our weight is what? Is 2 Newton. Once you look at the 20 Newton of this one, you have, okay, directly proportional to what? Directly proportional to each other. Yes, it's directly proportional to each other. Yes. Our weight is equal to 20 Newton. Yes, while the distance is what? The distance is 4. Then our this one is what? Okay, it is anti-clockwise. Our this one is 40. Why this thing is what? Why this thing is 2 meters. The higher the force, the lower the what? The lower the distance. The lower the distance, the lower the force, the higher the distance. I think that is what I'm saying. We have 20 here. You can see 2 plus 2 is 4. The lower force, the higher distance. Then when we have 40, we have nothing. The higher the what? The higher the force, the lower the what? The lower the distance. That is how the things look like. And then I can see that what the W is equal to 20 Newton as the question given to us by one of our students. Then I want you to like this, comment, and as well as what I want you to subscribe. Thank you so much as you have been subscribed since all this while. Thank you so much for being watching all this thing. I pray that the Lord will continue to increase your brain, your knowledge, and is going to descend His own wisdom on you concerning about physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, English, any courses you are offering for them. And then for those that want to write WAEC, I wish each and every one of you best of luck as you are watching this. Thank you so much. Those of you that are in our institution, I pray that you shall return with a good grade in the name of Almighty. Thank you and God bless you.